In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on and use cheats in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So to turn on cheats in your world, what you want to do is open up this menu and go to Settings. Now, once you're in Settings, you want to ensure you're on World and Game on the left, and then on the right under Game Settings, you want to scroll down on this page until you see the option to activate cheats. So we're going to turn this on, and you'll already see a number of different options you can turn on, such as Always Day. Now we're going to go back to the game, and in order to use cheats, what you want to do is open up chat and commands. So on PC, you want to press T on your keyboard. On controller, it's the right D-pad button. And on mobile, you'll see a little chat icon at the top to open this up. So if you have a look in the bottom left corner, you'll already see this slash option here, which wasn't here before. And this gives you ability to set the world spawn, as well as teleport people, adjust the time of day, and adjust the weather. So you also do have the ability to learn what all these other cheats are. If you type in slash, you'll see a number of different options on the screen. You can type in give, for example, and you can give items to players. So it's simply just a matter of learning all the different cheats at this point, which you can easily find a huge list online. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.